Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Entering statement charges is the first step in preparing billing statements for customers. This can be an effective way to collect customer charges over a period of time for certain types of businesses that do not need to send out an invoice for each charge assessed to a customer. With statement charges, you simply enter the charges directly into each customer's accounts receivable register as they are accrued. At the end of the billing cycle, you then send the customer a billing statement that lists all the charges that are due or past due. You can access a customer's accounts receivable register by opening the Customers and Jobs list within the Customer Center. Then select the name of the customer to whom you want to assess statement charges within the list, and select Customers, enter Statement Charges from the menu bar to display that customer's accounts receivable register. To make an entry in the register, select the date, item, description if needed, quantity, and rate, or the total amount charged, and if needed, the accounts receivable account to which to record the charge into the next available entry row within the register. Then click the Record button to record the statement charge.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.